welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day, and make sure you leave some of your comments down below if you tried my look from last week. As promised, if some of you guys stayed to the end of the video, I said that I was going to do some lip swatches for you guys, and hence the reason why I still have on the same exact thing. So I picked up some lip swatches from the internet called Focallure. I think it's Focallure. It's almost along the lines of the movie, you know, Meet the Fockers. This company right here, I picked them up. They're not a new company, or this is not a new item. I'm just late in the game. I picked up, almost dropped one. I picked up 6 colors. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and get into these lip swatches. But before I do, I have been testing these out. And they have a cream to matte finish. So it's not a liquid lipstick. It is more like a lip crayon, I guess you would say. I don't know. It's very moisturizing though. I wouldn't be coming on here if it wasn't moisturizing talking about it. But it's very moisturizing, and it gives you that nice matte finish that I like so much. So let's go ahead and get into these lip swatches. Very affordable. Like, I think for 6 of them it was like $4. I'll leave the link down below because I can't necessarily remember exactly how much it was. I'm pretty sure it was no more than like $4, literally. So the formula on the lipsticks are very moisturizing. So if you take this with you and you need some lip color as well as some moisturizer, this one would be it. But girl, if you leave the shit in the car on like a 98-degree heat day, that's just it, because it's gonna melt and then it's just gonna be gone. But other than that, I think you're pretty safe with this formula. This has to be one of my favorite colors out of the lipsticks. Like, I wouldn't lean more towards that red, but some of y'all who've been rocking with me for a long time, I already know I am a red lip gal. So this nice pink salmon kind of color, I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I actually like it a lot. This one is called the Smoky Carmine, and I'm feeling this one a lot. So as usual, the link will be down below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box and let me know which one was your favorite color. And if you guys will be trying them out, make sure you smash that like button and hit that subscribe button as well right after that, and then turn on the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video, because people are saying that they're not getting my notifications. So make sure you hit that bell. Hopefully that might help you, and until next time, see you in the next video.